Okay, we're gonna go over the referral process again, how a referral is handled once it comes into you, and how you can refer a client to another program. So from your main screen, you should be at your case management tab and click the forms dashboard. Click referrals. And we're going to first look at the referrals to your programs. You can enter a date, so you capture all of those that have been referred since a certain date. You can see that Chubby and Karen have both been referred to career services. You can also see that Chubby was referred directly to me as the user. If this had populated anybody else's names, you'd be able to sort from here, just clicking the title referred to user. Notice I got another one that popped up there, Bill Bailey. That was a test client I was working with. So for these two, we're just going to focus on them. Let's go back to just the refer to my programs. And these were the people that were referred. Start with Chubby. You click the checkbox next to him. You can update his referral status. Right now, he's only been referred. You can click pending approval if you're still not sure, or accepted and approved, which will be the most often chosen. Accepted and approved. And click save at that point. And now just because we've accepted him into our program doesn't mean we've enrolled him into our program. So if we go back to our case management tab and we look at program enrollments, it's still only showing the original enrollment. He was referred by Tana. We've accepted his referral, but now we have to enroll him. So again, back to your forms dashboard, program enrollments, add new. And we're going to go ahead and add the career services program enrollment. Here you can assign a case manager, pick the funding sources, whatever from here. We'll go ahead and click me. It should automatically populate your name. Click save. Now you can see you're in your enrollment summary. It says he's still has assessments pending. Click the assessments pending. Complete entry assessment. It'll ask, do you want to copy all of the assessment data if there is data already filled out in this assessment? We know from entering so many clients ourselves, we're all using the same assessment entry data. You can click yes, done, click his name, and it's asking you which program you want to copy that data from. Click, make sure it's highlighted, select, and copy the assessment. It'll tell you that it's been successfully copied. Click OK. And it populates what's already been entered. If nothing had been entered, you would want to go ahead and fill these out. Just click save. And done. And now Chubby is enrolled in two programs, Career Services and TANF. And that's how you handle the referral. We're going to go over that just one more time. Back to the forms dashboard. Back to referrals. My program referrals. You can see that only one is populated because we still have the status of I only want to see those that have been referred. If I wanted to see everybody that had been accepted or approved, I could click that. Click search again. And it would show me everybody else that I've accepted or approved in this time frame. Let's go back and just click referred and do that search again. So we have one open referral named Karen. We're going to click. So notice this time I clicked on her name and not the little checkbox. Kind of the same. Again, you can just update the status to accepted and approved and click save. Same process as we did before. When you click the check mark, you just get the line item. When you click the name, it brings you to this screen. Click save. Again, you can see she's still only enrolled in vocational services. Even though she's been referred to us, she has not been enrolled in our program. You have to manually go and enroll the client. Back to your forms dashboard, program enrollments, add new, program as career services. You can make these dates, whatever fits with the client that you're working with. If you've already worked with them, then you'll probably want to change that date to a previous date. Again, you can assign the case manager. It automatically opts to you or the person doing this. If I was doing this on behalf of somebody else, I could go in and click any other name that's on here. Click save. And again, it'll show assessments pending. Click assessments pending, complete the entry assessment. Now, because Patty didn't have this entry assessment as part of her original intake through Voc Services, now is when we're going to need to go ahead and fill all of this information out. So the assessment's done, click done. And now you can see she's enrolled in both programs. If you go back to your forms dashboard and look at program enrollments, you can see that she's enrolled. Her status is now enrolled in both programs. Next thing I want to go over is how to refer a client. So we'll take Karen Patty Cake here. Go back to our forms dashboard, referrals, and we want to refer her to a different program. So we're going to click program referral, add new. This is coming from you now in career services. You can enter a preferred start date. We'll say September 1st. Save. Add new again. And which program do you want to refer her to? So referred to program. We're going to say Abby's Impact for this case. Referred date will populate automatically today's date. If there's a specific user you want to refer them to, you can add that here. You can add a quick case note referring, we'll just do one real quickly. Referring Karen for further mental health assistance. Whatever you want to populate. Click save. Save. So now we can see that we've referred her. We're done. We're done. And now it's up to the Abby's impact staff to go in and look at their referrals to their program. Let me see if I can show you that. And I can only see this because I'm set up as a user in all the different programs. This would show to the Abby's impact staff. So Bree or Rebecca would be able to see this and be able to adjust it from here. That pretty much sums up referrals. I hope this made it easier. I got rid of the referrals to me selection because that was taking us through a workflow that hasn't been used in my tenure here. So I think you can get to everything just to the referrals to my programs and then just sort it referred to user. Again, if this was not referred to user and you wanted to edit that, you could click this and I'm sorry, click the name. And here you could refer it to a specific user. I don't have anybody from AI set up on here right now. So we'll leave that blank for now, but that's how you could change that to referring it to a specific user. I'm gonna X out here and get back to my referral screens. Again, if you want to look at people that have been referred to your program, it's career services. And we want, again, it's showing this because I'm a multi-user in all the different programs. I want to click accepted and approved. And here are the people that have been referred. And we've taken action on it. It says accepted and approved in that referral. And we already know that they've been enrolled in our programs because that's what we just did. I hope this makes it clear. Let me know if you have questions or if there's anything I can do to make this more user-friendly. I think once you've done it a couple of times, you'll understand the difference between clicking a name and clicking the checkbox. They're really about the same thing. I hope this was helpful. Thanks.